Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove sleep mode in Instagram. So if sleep mode is turned on your Instagram account and you want to remove it, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to remove sleep mode in Instagram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. This could be on Android, it could be on iPhone. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Select the menu icon at the top right. Now scroll down to how you use Instagram and click on time management. Once you selected time management, then you should see sleep mode. Your sleep mode is turned on. Click on sleep mode. Then to remove sleep mode, all you need to do is you either remove number of days from the week or turn off the sleep mode. So if you want to remove sleep mode from Monday or Saturday and Sunday, just uncheck them and then click on save. Now to remove sleep mode completely, just toggle sleep mode from the top right by clicking on this button and then you're good. Once sleep mode is disabled, then you're good to go. So that is basically how to remove sleep mode on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.